Hey, 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 good evening. Still Sunday, September 29th. This is Portia from Diva Handmade Gift Baskets and More. And I'm back today to to try put a basket together on camera. So, this is a blanket size 50 to 60 that I got from Save-A-Lot last year. I was surprised to see it, but I grabbed it and a few more. So this goes in the, I'm going to put this to the back. It has a piece of cardboard inside of it to help it stay stiff. I have newspaper inside the basket covered with tissue. I'll set it up a little. I have Valerio body wash, vanilla bean and honey. First, I should put a little bit of shred in it, just a little. Sorry about the noise. I know it's noisy because I heard it last time I made the video. Sorry about that. I'm not trying to put a lot of shred in here. I'm just trying to put a little bit. Okay. I'm not going to be able to see that. So I'll put the body wash here. I have some Be Pure Vitamin C body lotion. Put that right there. I have some Valerio body scrub, vanilla bean and honey. That'll go right here. This will go right here. I have some, I think it's Valerio foot scrub. Oh, I forgot my tumbler. Just a minute. I have a gold tumbler from Dollar Tree. Oh, $1.25 since store now. Ugh. Straighten that up. There you go. I also have a bath puff. I'll put that right there. I'm pushing down because I had soap I want to put there. Okay. I'm going to take this, put a piece of tape across this so it won't shift around. But I want to put it together on camera. Let's see how I do. Okay, I have a handmade candle here. I made the vanilla bean scent. I have a Bodycology Beautiful Blossoms Bath Bomb. I have some Body Fantasy Vanilla. Fix it right. Ooh, spraying myself. Oh, I forgot my cap. And I have 2 handmade gold soaps that I'm going to put here. in here. I hope you can see it. How did I do? I'm going to put this here. Flour. Yeah. So, how did I do? Like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you. Bye-bye.